Welcome to the Sanctuary, an incredible one-of-a-kind residential lot located just off Soundside Drive in Gulf Breeze. This property boasts 3/4 of an acre on the water with over 200 feet on the Sound and plenty of protected waterfront on the canal. This is a boater's paradise. The lot is cleared and ready for you to build your dream home. This lot is located directly across from the National Seashore, so you'll know that you will always have unobstructed views across the Sound. If you're interested in building your dream house on one of the most unique lots on the coastline, make sure you call TJ Martin at 850-341-8100 or Shaye Martin at 850-449-3008.